I see him a little bit.
Hey, we can't see nothing.
I started recording right now, so.
So stop. You can't see anything. Let's just go.
I can kind of see them over there. Yeah, there you go.
Christian, come here.
Hey.
There's a light.
Whoa! That was really good. Look.
Oh, let me go over here. Beside the mirror.
Where's the light? It's okay, Shreddy. Shh, calm down.
Fireworks?
Calm down, baby.
They're like behind that building in the trees right now. Well, let me zoom out a little bit. There they are.
Are you gonna post this as a YouTube video?
Duh.
Don't get mean, Stop!
I forgot we zoomed in, so it's like really zoomed in on the trees. Let me go back over here. There we go.
Oh, he's scared. I can feel his heartbeat. My baby. No,
Sorry if the quality kind of looks bad. I'm using my camera right now.
He's freaking out.
my phone.
What is happening? Where am I? I want to go home.
Stop.
As long as it's not Halloween, we're good.
It's okay. Oh my god, he's getting like excited. Might need to get out of the way. It's coming. Whoa.
Look. Jeez. It legit sounds like thunder right now. Hey, that's what it sounds like. I have to go right here. Yeah, I need to make sure everybody that's watching this can see the fireworks.
Just in case whoever.
And again, I'm sorry about the quality. I'm using the exact same camera I used to record my baby sister reacting to Lil Pump. Like I said, she really loves Lil Pump.
Look, baby, fireworks. I'm sure.
She legit loves them.
What is it, my love? Fireworks? Fireworks?
Oh. This should be the finale.
No, honey, it just started.
Yeah, it started like a few minutes ago. Now it just looks like I'm taller. I'm like holding up my phone right now because that's what I'm using to record this. For all of you that don't know. Honestly,
Oh, guys.
I've honestly never recorded in public before, is like my first time.
Go, Christian, go.
Well, say my first time recording in public, but it's my first time posting a video on YouTube in public.
You know you only have limited time for that.
Yeah, I know. This video's gonna be like 56 minutes and 46 seconds. Just to let y'all know. It's like when it gets like to 56, I'm gonna do my outro. Hold on. Just have to crack my fingers.
Actually, sorry. Everyone's like stopping to see the fireworks. That's so funny. Like, no, enough.
They're trying to stop so they can get like a peek or something. Honestly, I'd have like honestly, I'd have better quality if I actually had a vlog camera. Because like I said, I'm using my phone to record this.
Everyone who's not watching probably thinks it's fun.
But no one will, because obviously, because this video, they know it's a firework show.
Do they do this like every year to celebrate the year?
I don't know.
Yeah, honey, this is every year.
What do they do this for? Like ending school?
Canada Day.
Yeah, Canada.
On the 1st is Canada Day, and on the 4th is Independence Day for every state.
And Canada Day is like
Just celebrating.
Canada's birthday, yeah.
And that's what's going on in North.
Honestly, you kind of can't see him anymore.
I need to sit down.
Oh, there you go. I just saw it.
I got it.
All right.
Christian.
By the way, in case you didn't see him, here's our dog Breakdown.
This is like Amira's first time. No.
Yeah, it's our first time seeing fireworks, like, ever.
She was down there last year, but she was a baby.
Oh yeah, she was. Yeah.
Her first ever time actually
No, you can see
seeing
it.
fireworks. Because she woke up for like a little bit of fireworks. Like she
I was asleep a little bit.
I almost fell asleep. I got tired.
Well, let me try him back up over here. Oh, and in case you didn't notice, I'm recording this at 7-Eleven, so shout out to 7-Eleven.
Fly in the air. I realized that we actually have the same dance. Because we're in the same dance.
Funny.
So yeah, shout out to 7-Eleven for letting me record here.
Christian, do not post what I'm doing, okay?
Hashtag weirdo.
Are you posting me? Are you?
Are you posting me? It's pronounced recording.
God. Like, good.
Oh, is that it? Oh, no, there's still none. No, that's not it. Oh, look, he's playing up there. He's playing right there. Oh, you can't see it anymore. I can kind of see like the smoke and all that coming from it. I don't know if you guys can like see the smoke. Oh, this is a really good view of the fireworks.
Dog in a parking lot. In this moment. So I'm gonna step on him.
Hey boy.
I'm a doggy. I go. Oh, woof woof woof.
Get out of here, you weirdo.
A woof woof woof.
Why are you weird?
I'm a doggy. I can look.
Boy. 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 You can barely see him anymore because the quality is so bad. Because I have to use my camera because that's the only possible way I can record the fireworks. Because for my videos I use an app called like DU Screen Recorder, so like the quality is slightly a bit better, but not too good, you know. Because I'm just a beginner. I don't have a vlog camera or a YouTube setup yet. Soon I will. Soon I'll make high quality videos. Had to crack my finger. Yeah, pretty. Even though it's not even December. Honestly, I don't know what month it is. It's not December.
Green.
Oh. Hold on. Hold this, kid. Hold this for me, and like.
My brother doing the floss because he looks like a weirdo. Oh my.
He looks like a demented chicken.
Demented chicken. He is a demented chicken.
Demented chicken.
Demented.
You are
He's a demented chicken.
You are
demented chicken. You are demented chicken.
You said demented.
Look, what is this? You look like an elephant do this. This is what you look like.
That's not what elephants look like.
Like you're doing this.
And
no, this is you're doing this. Like an elephant.
No, I'm doing like the hammer arm, like.
Yeah, an elephant that goes past your nose. It looks like your nose.
Oh my god. It's called the shoe, but in Fortnite it's called the
I
height.
know what the shoe.
But for some reason in Fortnite it's called the height. Like, I don't know why they do that. I know it's cool, but that's not gonna stop me from recording this. I got like a lot of time to record this. Like, as long as I keep touching the screen, like zooming in and zooming in, zooming out, like it'll stay recorded. So don't worry, guys. Is that it? Did you just get me? You just get me. Hey! Oh.
It's all done. It's all done.
Oh, it's actually done?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get back in the car.
Our slushies are melting.
Oh yeah, we did buy slushies. Shout out to 7-Eleven.
Mind. You look like a Muppet.
Of course. See this? Safety first.
Bye.
Always buckle up your seatbelt.
Walk it like you tuck it. Walk it like you tuck it. Buckle it like you tuck it. Buckle it like you smack it.
Stop.
Yeah.
I think I got yours.
Okay, at least turn this off so I can do my outro. I don't want
First,
copyright.
Jane?
I don't want copyright.
Okay. Goodbye. Here, switch. Hurry up.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for fireworks. Peace.